Welcome to MarineMax Nisswa, where today we have a 2026 Sea Ray 260 SLX for sale. This luxury Bowrider has two washdowns, one in the bow and one in the aft, as well as two swim ladders. So whether you're anchored out at the middle of the lake and you want to jump off the bow, or if you're pulled up to a sandbar and you want to flip down the swim step and enjoy some playtime in the water off the back of the boat, you have two awesome access points. Also, easy entry into the boat. On the side, we have this black non-skid tread. Makes it a nice non-slip area, so if you're getting on from a dock and you can't access the back, you have this nice side entry as well. Starting in the back, we have a rear lounger system, and this also has your own little passenger cubby with a cell phone charging port and a Fusion Bluetooth audio system, so you're not fighting with the driver over the tunes. You have a cup holder on either side and easy access into the storage portion of the boat. We have lots of deep storage. We also have a self-draining bin in the back, so that could be used as cooler storage. It self-bails. Fill it up with ice and your favorite drinks, and it takes all the work out of draining it all out later. We have a beautiful RGB lighting system in this boat, which actually has zone control, so you can change the midship of the boat, the bow of the boat, whatever vibe you're feeling, wherever you're at on the boat. It's very highly adjustable at the dual SIMRAD display. This is two touchscreen controls. We also have the Fusion audio system here, so the driver obviously can change the tunes as well. You have your Lenco trim tab controls, and that adjusts the tabs in the back of the boat. So no matter where people are sitting on board, if you have everyone loaded into this beautiful L-shaped couch on the side here, on the port side, you just flip down the trim tab on the starboard side and it'll get you back on plane without having to rearrange your guests or ask anybody to move around on board. Everybody gets the most comfortable seat in the house. The side-by-side captain's chairs look a little bit different this year. You can spin them facing the cockpit of the boat. They have large ergonomic bolster cushions. This turns them into a leaning post. So if the water gets a little bit choppy and you want to have a more stable footing, you just flip up the bolster cushion and it's got a slanted cushion so that you can lean your legs against it and not feel like you're pushed up against a squared off edge. There's so much great storage on this boat. You can bring all your gear. You can even put your boat cover in the boat. You don't have to throw it in the garage and wait for mice to come get into it. It can stay with the boat at all times so you never lose track of it or its poles. It can go right in the giant center ski locker. There's also one in the front. There's cup holders all the way around this boat. They're conveniently at an arm's reach. We also have bow armrests. So this is a nice comfortable spot for people facing the front of the boat. These cushions are so comfortable and they are cool to the touch. This is the dune interior. So we've got this tan with a mocha accent. We have tan non-skid flooring with black accents that matches the black gel coat on the exterior of the boat. There are two different cockpit tables that you can put inside this boat. It is real wood, teak wood, and they have their own designated storage compartment. The captain has a wireless charging receptacle right here. You just set your phone on it and it'll charge it up, but you also have some USB and 12-volt receptacles too. So if you wanted to plug in your air compressor and blow up some tubes or stand-up paddle boards, you can do that really easily, either at the helm or there's also one at the aft of the boat by that washdown. The washdowns make it awesome for keeping your boat clean. You wash off your boards or your kids' feet and you don't bring any sand into the boat, whether you're entering from the bow or the aft. There are two walk-through gates, one in the bow so that you don't have billowing winds coming through the cockpit, keeping everybody chilly on board. We actually shut the windshield, and it's a nice protected environment. This has a lot of freeboard, so you feel like you're really safe down inside the boat. We also have one in the transom, so that keeps your kids and your pets from exiting off the platform when your boat is underway, but you can open it right up, and it's a nice, easy access point to the swim platform, and it's even lighted. We have courtesy lights, storage lights, of course, those RGB lights, and we even have a lighted badge on the exterior of the boat. Even your cup holders are lighted. So if you've got a clear water bottle in there, it's a really cool look, but then you also have a nice easy spot to grab your drinks and set them down in the dark without worrying about spilling them. This SLX also has a spacious headroom. This is a porta potty with a sink. Keeps it cleaner and a lot less maintenance for you. This boat has a capacity for up to 15 people, and with the 6.2-liter Mercruiser 350 stern drive motor, you have plenty of get up and go to even do some water sports. There's a transom tow eye in the back of the boat so you can hook up to your rope whether you're wakeboarding or tubing and enjoy this boat both for leisure and for water sports. There's 75 gallons of fuel capacity on board, keeping you gassed up all day long when you're enjoying the water. We have a faux teak step off the side of the boat as well. So when you're trying to enter the boat from that non-skid step, you have another step down, giving you easy access, especially for our height challenge guests on board like me or our older family members who need just a little bit more accessibility into the boat. Sea Rays come with a 5-year limited lifetime warranty, and then we also have a Bimini sunshade on board, keeping your crew safe and protected no matter what the weather brings that day. We can't wait to show you this Sea Ray and our other lineup of 2026 Sea Ray boats here at MarineMax in Nisswa and in Cross Lake, Minnesota. Come stop in today and check out your dream boat for 2026.